Show that the common chord of the circles x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 23 is equal to 0 is the diameter of the second circle and also find its length. Show that the common chord of the two circles is the diameter of the second circle. So what is the common chord of the two circles? S minus S dash equal to 0. That is the common chord of the two circles. S minus S dash equal to 0. Now we want to show that common chord is the diameter of the second circle. That is, center of the second circle lies on the common chord. We want to show that center of the second circle lies on the common chord of the two circles, and also find the length. Length of the chord means the formula is 2 root r square minus t square. So first we are taking the given circles here. Given circles are x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 9 equals to 0, which is taken as yes, s is equals to, and s dash is equals to x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 23 equals to 0. Now first we are finding the equation of the common chord. Equation of common chord is s minus s dash equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 9 minus s dash, that is minus of total this value, means changing the signs of all these terms, minus x square minus y square minus of all these values. So changing the signs of all these terms, minus x square minus y square plus 8x plus 6y minus 23 is equals to 0. Now here x square y square minus x square minus y square gets cancelled. Now this 8x minus 6x, 2x 6y minus 4y plus 2y 9 minus 23, that is minus 14 is equals to 0. Now taking 2 common, 2 into x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. That is equation of common chord is x plus y minus 7 is equals to 0. Now we want to show that common chord is the diameter of the second circle. So first we take the center of the second circle. So here center of s dash is equals to 0 is, center of the circle s dash equal to 0 is equals to, the formula is minus g comma minus f, that is 2g is equals to minus 8, then g is equal to minus 4, minus g plus 4, 2f is equal to minus 6, then f is equal to minus 3, minus f plus 3. So minus g minus f, center is equal to 4 comma 3. Now we want to show the center lies on the common chord of the circles, that is replacing this point 4 comma 3 in the above equation. So 4 plus 3 minus 7 is equals to 7 minus 7 equal to 0. That is the point 4 comma 3 satisfies the equation. Therefore common chord is the diameter of the second circle. Common chord is the diameter of s dash equals to 0. And now also find the length of the chord. So we are finding the length of the chord by using the formula 2 root r square minus t square. To find the length of the chord, we take the center and radius to any of the two circles. So here I take the center and radius to the second circle. So already we have the center is equal to 4 comma 3. Now we take the radius to this circle, that is r is equals to square root of g square plus f square, 16 plus 9 minus 23 minus c, that is minus 23, 25 minus 23 root 2. Now this is radius value. Now therefore length and d value, d is equals to perpendicular distance from center to the common chord equation. Perpendicular distance from center C4 comma 3 to the common chord x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Now taking the perpendicular distance value, that is under modulus, replacing the point here, 4 plus 3 minus 7 by square root of x quotient whole square plus y quotient whole square, that is 1 square plus 1 square, root 1 plus 1, root 1 plus 1. Now 4 plus 3 minus 7, 7 minus 7, 0 by root equals to 0, that is d value is equal to 0. Therefore length of the chord is equals to the formula is 2 root r square minus t square, and this is equals to 2 into square root of r value root 2 whole square minus d value 0, which implies 2 root here square and root gets cancelled, 2 root 2, that is 2 root 2 is the length of the chord. Prove that the radical axis of the circles x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 and x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0 is the diameter of the latter circle if 2g dash into g minus g dash plus 2f dash into f minus f dash is equal to c minus c dash. So, prove that radical axis of the two circles is the diameter of the latter circle. If this condition holds, given that this is one given condition, this condition is given, we want to show that the radical axis of the two circles, that is s minus s dash equal to 0, is the diameter of the latter circle, that is the diameter of the second circle. That is, we want to show that radical axis is the diameter of the second circle. That is, the center of the second circle lies on the radical axis. We want to show that result. So, first we are finding the radical axis equation and we substitute the center in that equation. If that equation satisfies the center, then we can say that the radical axis is the diameter of the second circle. So, first here we are writing the given circles. Given circles are, first equation is s is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. And second circle s dash is equals to x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equals to 0. Now next we take the given condition. What is given condition? Given condition is, this is a given condition, 2g dash into g minus g dash plus 2f dash into f minus f dash is equals to c minus c dash. This is given. Now next we find the radical axis of the two circles. So radical axis is s minus s dash equal to 0. That is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c minus s dash, minus of all those values, that is minus x square minus y square minus 2g dash x minus 2f dash y minus c dash equal to 0, which implies, now take, this is 2gx, this is 2g dash x, here x square y square minus x square y square gets cancelled, 2gx 2g dash x, taking 2x common, 2x into g minus g dash, 2fy 2f dash y, taking 2y common, 2y into f minus f dash plus constant c minus c dash equals to 0. Now this is the radical axis. Now we want to show that the center of the second circle lies on this line. So next we take the center of the second circle. Center of s dash equals to 0 is center of the second circle, which is nothing but minus g dash comma minus f dash. Now we are replacing this value in the above equation, that is 2 into minus g dash into g minus g dash plus 2 into minus f dash into f minus f dash plus c minus c dash is equals to, now this is minus 2g dash into g minus g dash minus 2f dash into f minus f dash plus c minus c dash. What is c minus c dash value? C minus c dash is nothing but this value. Now we are replacing this value here, that is 2g dash into g minus g dash plus 2f dash into f minus f dash. Now here 2g dash g minus g dash minus 2g dash g minus g dash gets cancelled, and here 2f dash f minus f dash minus 2f dash f minus f dash gets cancelled. So answer is equals to 0. Therefore, that is the center of the second circle lies on the radical axis. Therefore, center of the second circle lies on this line. That is, radical axis is the diameter of the second circle. Therefore, radical axis is diameter of the latter circle. That is, diameter of s dash equals to 0. That's all. That's the required result. Next problem, find the equation of the circle whose diameter is the common chord of the circles. S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0, and s dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now find the equation of the circle whose diameter is the common chord of the given two circles. So here two circles are given. The first circle is s is equal to 0 and the second circle is s dash equal to 0. Now first I take the common chord of the two circles. This is the common chord of the circles. Now the two circles intersect at the points A comma B, and the circle and the chord also intersect A comma B. Now these are the given circles. This is the common chord of the two circles. What is the common chord equation? Equation of the common chord is S minus S dash equal to 0. And find the equation of the circle whose diameter is the common chord of the two circles. So now we want to find the equation of the circle. This is the circle. We want to find the equation of this circle given that common chord is the diameter of this circle, that is center of this required circle lies on the common chord. That is the given condition. Now we want to find the equation to this circle. So here the equation of this circle is taken as S plus lambda L equal to 0, where S means we can take any of the two circles, either S is equal to 0 or S dash equal to 0, and L means in place of L we write the common chord equation. So equation of this circle is S plus lambda L equal to 0. Of course equation of this circle is also S plus lambda S dash equal to 0. So equation of this circle is either S plus lambda S dash equal to 0 or S plus lambda L equal to 0. For easy calculation we prefer this equation, S plus lambda L equal to 0. So first we find the equation of the circle S plus lambda L equal to 0, and we take the center to this equation and replacing that center in the common chord equation to get the required answer. That is the procedure. So first we are writing the given circle equations. Given circles are, first equation is S is equals to x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. And second equation S dash is equals to x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Next we find the common chord equation. Equation of common chord is the formula is S minus S dash equal to 0. That is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 minus S dash, minus of all these values, minus x square minus y square minus 4x minus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. That is, here plus x square plus y square minus y square gets cancelled. 2x minus 4x minus 2x plus 3y minus 3y gets cancelled. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 equal to 0, which means by minus cancellation it returns the answer 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is the common chord which is taken as L. Now the equation of L is 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now the equation of required circle is taken as S plus lambda L equal to 0. Therefore, equation of required circle is S plus lambda L equal to 0. That is, S means I can take the first circle equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus lambda into L value 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So equation of required circle is S plus lambda L equal to 0. So S means we can take any of the two circles. Here I take the first circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus lambda into L value 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Which implies x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus 2 lambda x plus lambda is equals to 0. Now converting this equation to standard form, that is x square plus y square, taking 2x common here, 2x into 1 plus lambda plus 3y plus 1 plus lambda, x term, y term constant is equal to 0. Now we are finding the center to this equation. First we take this equation as equation 1, this is equation 1. Next we find the center to this equation. Here clearly we have 2g is equals to 2 into 1 plus lambda and 2f is equals to 3, x quotient and y quotient. That is, g is equals to 1 plus lambda and f is equals to 3 by 2. Therefore center to this circle is equals to minus g comma minus f, which means minus g, minus of 1 plus lambda, that is minus 1 minus lambda, and this is minus 3 by 2. Of course minus of 1 plus lambda means minus 1 minus lambda, and minus f, minus 3 by 2. But what is the given condition? Here common chord is the center of the required circle, that is this center lies on the common chord equation. Therefore, given that center lies on 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Center lies on the common chord equation. Here common chord is equal to 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, replacing the center in this equation now. 2 into x value. X is equals to minus 1 minus lambda plus 1 equal to 0, which implies minus 2 lambda plus 1 equal to 0. That is 2 lambda is equals to minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1 is equals to 2 lambda, which implies the value of lambda is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now replacing this lambda is equal to minus 1 by 2 value in the first equation. Therefore from equation 1, to get the required answer, we are replacing lambda is equal to minus 1 by 2 in the first equation. Therefore from equation 1 we have that x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus lambda into 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we are replacing lambda is equal to minus 1 in this equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1, lambda value minus 1 by 2 into 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Now taking 2 LCM here. Now this is 2x square plus 2y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 2. That is multiplying all these values by this 2. Minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now 0 into 2 becomes 0. Therefore the answer is 2x square plus 2y square plus 4x minus 2x plus 2x plus 6y 2 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. That's all. This is the required answer.